Okay, we got 2 babies. 2 babies out of 5 eggs. So we're gonna let Mama get back on the nest. The eggs are hatching out. Oh, look. We got baby bluebirds. We got baby bluebirds. Look how sweet. Mama's doing a good job. I've been seeing Daddy come over here bringing something. That's why I wanted to come and look. She flew out for a minute, so I ran off the porch down here so I could video this for y'all. Okay, we're gonna let this go for a second. She's sitting up here. She's ready to come back in. She's ready to... Sorry, y'all, the sun is in my eyes and I can't see nothing.